Example 8.11 Payback period. MKZ Airlines is planning to purchase 3 Cessna aircraft to fly a specific route. The cost of acquisition of aircraft is $2 million, so that's a negative cash flow. It's expected that annual net revenue from operations will be $650,000 for 3 years, always at the end of the year. And aircraft will be sold for $800,000 at the end of the 3rd year. So there's a capital inflow at the end of the 3rd year. So we need to calculate the payback period for this project. So going to Excel now. So we lay out the cash flows like that in Excel. And we find out what's called as a cumulative cash flow. So cumulative cash flow is nothing but minus 2 million since we spent it at time t equals 0. And then the previous value plus the next cash flow. It's nominal value. So then, since it's a positive cash flow, it gets reduced. The negative cumulative cash flow gets decreased and then gets decreased further and then becomes positive. So we can say that the payback period here is between 2 and 3 years because that's when the cumulative cash flows turn positive. But how much is it? So we need $700,000 more between years 2 and 3, but we actually end up with $1.850 million. So the partial period that we can apply is minus of 700,000 divided by 1.185 or 0.37 years. So the payback period is equal to 0.37 plus the 2 years that have elapsed. So Alt O E and then go to decimal places, 2 decimal places. So 2.38 years is the payback period of this particular project. And that's exactly what we find here, 2.38 years. And that's example 8.11. Thank you for listening.